All right, guys. Wow. I'm shocked right now. And I wanted to come on here and be with you guys because times like this, you just want to be with people. What you're seeing right now in elephant money is the real deal. It's absolutely horrible. And so if you are an investor in elephant money, you're probably looking for answers, as am I. So you guys know a while back, I did an AMA with Bank Teller. We have not heard anything from him yet. But I'll just show you what's going on in the chart. This is what happened. We have a huge sell-off that occurred probably about 15 minutes ago, around 1 o'clock Eastern time. And you can see this is not a normal dip. This isn't, Hex dropped 85% and Bitcoin's dropped 85%. These things happen in crypto. No. This is not normal. So I want to scroll down and look at these sell orders when this all began. This isn't, in my opinion, them moving TVL around. So here's, typical trading, green, red, no big deal. You got a $42,000 buy order right here, and then bam, you can see when the selling starts. You've got 1.269 mil, 1.5, 1.18, 945, 760. It goes on and on. What the heck is all this about? So I don't know. Saying that crypto is the wild, wild west, and it just sounds trite at times like this because, you got your real money. You have real money tied up in here. I have real money tied up in here. And the fact that, we have no answers just frustrates the heck out of all of us, right? So I don't know what the answers are, but I'm here to document it with you. So I'm going to post this to my Telegram group. I'm going to put this in our Discord chat and see if others are finding information, because I want all of us together to get it all on board and figure out what the heck is going on. So let me notify my community. And maybe you come from a different community. Feel free to join us in Telegram if you need a Telegram place. So let's go now. I want to see the last message in elephant money. So let's see. Let me get this all set up, and then we're gonna discuss here what the heck is going on. Because if you're like me, you're just frustrated, ticked, and you're sick of frickin' DeFi in general. Because this stuff, yeah. No, I'm ticked, guys. I didn't want to come on here. I was actually talking to another YouTuber when this all happened, and he said, dude, just go live. Talk about it. Go live. And I was like, I don't want to go live. I don't even want to talk about this crap. And he's like, bro, people need leadership. They need people just to talk with. So here I am. I don't want to be here. I see right now we've got like 160 people here because you're probably investors like me, and you're just like, what the actual frick? What is going on? So let me do this, guys. I want to go to the chat. I want to read your comments. What are your guys' thoughts? Someone says, yeah, WTF. That should be the title of this video. This would be the third time he's done this. Well, before we accuse anyone, again, I don't want to get into slamming Bank Teller. We don't know what's going on. We don't know. This is a rug pull from the developers. We don't know. So, right now, I guess let me show you what my account looks like right now. Okay? So let's do some full disclosure. And yeah, let me get this out of the way. Sorry, this is not planned. I have a million things to do today, but I want to come on here. So right now, you got 105 AUM, assets under management. That's what that means. This was at like 450 earlier. So where's like $300 million? In Elephant, there's only $48 million now. Trunk, you've got the same amount. This hasn't stayed. The only thing that's changed is these APRs, which I don't understand. So if someone in the comments knows why this has changed or why this would change, let me know. So if we go here, you can see I'm down to $1,900. I had about 20,000 in this. Yeah. So that sucks, right? Gone. We're down 87% at the time of this video. I want to pull up the last comment from Bank Teller in the Elephant Money chat and see what his last comment was. Let me pull this up for you guys. I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay. So look at this. How do I get this big? Let me try this again. This is, as far as I know, the last thing we heard from Bank Teller. Right here. Let's read it. I want to make sure you guys can see this. Sorry, guys. I know I screwed up there. All right, so this is the last thing we heard from the lead developer. He said, "Good morning. I'm back to the grindstone after making a ton of partnerships at BTC 2022. That was last week. This is this morning. He says, there will be a ton of building and releases this spring. Elephant is undervalued, but it won't be after what's coming. I personally will be loading up since I have all the alpha. And you know how that goes. This will be my only heads up. We know how getting a Trilly bag at 3K turned out, and only a fool would dump on a double. No more price speculation. What comes next is the big leap in unstoppable tokenomics." Now that to me does not sound like someone that is about to rug pull their project. Now some of you might understandably be really suspicious and be like, no, of course it does. People don't care. They're not nice people, Jonathan. Like, I understand where you're coming from, but I don't want to speculate. I mean, I guess we are speculating, but I don't want to throw stones yet, because I know that this particular developer who goes by Bank Teller has been doxxed. You can find his real name. He's on LinkedIn. If this is some fraud case, they can find him no problem. So I don't want to go down that route and just assume that at this point. So I don't know if this is an exploit. I don't know if it's a smart exploit where, it's an exploit. And then it's like these bots are so sophisticated where they create multiple wallets and they put all the money in these wallets and you never know what happens to it. It's just like, this is why DeFi, you need regulation, guys. If crypto in DeFi lasts and want to move to the next level, you need regulation. There's no way investors are going to look at what happened today and go, yeah, we should put our clients' money in this crap. So, where do things stand right now? Well, if you look at the chart, you can see not much is going on. I'll go to the 1 minute chart. Just a steady little sell-off, people panic selling. But again, these are all the little guys now. These are just the little guys. So let's go back. This is when the selling started. If you're just joining us, welcome. Go ahead and like this video. I know it sounds stupid to say, but this gets word out, and just liking it will help others know that there's people here. and then I'm going to go to the comments, but in case you're joining us, this just happened. All right. So we've got 1.269 million that started this sell-off. And then it just, look at this. Look at this, guys. This sell-off, if you look at the timestamp, is the exact same time. So it isn't just 1 million. This is all the same seller. All of these sells. So this is why this right here, you have this huge candle. This is not normal. This is not some little retailer. This is someone did this, and we don't have answers as to why. So I want to go to the comments. I'll leave the chart up, and let's just see where you're going. We got 285 people here, guys. Thanks. My YouTube channel, I cover crypto projects. I did a AMA with Bank Teller recently. If you remember, he said, this is my life project, man. This is the buck stops here with me. This is the thing that I want to bring to market. I just read his comment this morning. This is a shock. And you know what else is a shock to me is that if you go into the Elephant Money Telegram group, there's no word from Bank Teller yet. So I don't. I'm just trying to read the comments right now. Where the F are the admins? My friend attempted a suicide. That's horrible. Wow, this is horrible. It's horrible. We are so effed. Man, guys, I can't emphasize enough. This is a risk capital game. Until DeFi is regulated, FDIC, insured, all that, like, please only spend risk capital money in any project. Because you can make good money in some of these projects. Some of them you're going to get wrecked. That's just the nature of where we're at in the DeFi space. This isn't for everybody. Some people are seeing these crazy gains and you're like, I'm going to ape in. I'm going to throw all my... Don't do that. Don't ever do that. So let's read the comments here. We'll start feeling like a dummy right now. Chandler, you shouldn't feel like a dummy. Here's why. Because this isn't your fault. This isn't my fault. This is none of our fault. Okay? We didn't do anything wrong. We invested our money in what we thought would be a great project. Right now, we have no answers as to what happened. That's it. So don't wear your shame. You didn't rob people of millions of dollars. I mean, that guy is the one that should feel like an absolute dummy. There was no ecosystem they were building other than a simple return on your money. Okay, that's one person's comment. I went big in this, not your fault. We will see what happened. I still got my 75% BUSD out of trunk. They were a true Ponzi. So this is what happens. People will all of a sudden turn, like an hour ago, they're bullish, but now, hindsight's 2020. Everybody's a Monday morning quarterback and like, yeah, I knew this would rug. I knew it. You're going to get that because people need to act like they know everything. That just happens. It'll happen. Seems like an exploit. There was wakes. APR went from 64 last night to 475. Yeah, it makes no sense to me what's going on with this APR. If you look right here, guys, you'll see trunk was about 64%. And now you're at this crazy, insane APR. I don't know if the APR goes up, the more that this sells off, I don't know. Maybe you don't. Maybe you can help me in the comments. So yeah, you guys, just by liking this video right now, there's 300 people here, that you're getting word out. So help the community get word out. You can subscribe. We'll cover all this. I did an AMA with Bank Teller. Maybe he'll come on and do an AMA with me. Bank Teller, if you are watching this, you're more than welcome to join me. I'm not trying to be hostile until we have answers. I'm not mad at anybody. I don't know who to be mad at. I'm ticked off, yes. But I don't know what happened. And we're just all in this thing together trying to figure it out because this sucks. Okay, so exploit, people are saying federal regulation is coming. It was one wallet buying and selling millions over and over. That APR, what people keep saying, Forex attack splash of an elephant. Yeah, let's not say stupid things like Forex is behind this. I think this is beneath Forex to do this to millions, with millions of dollars, and to exploit this many people. I don't think Forex is a thief. So I would, unless you have evidence, I don't see this as a Forex taking his anger out on bank teller. I mean, come on. This isn't taking your anger out on anybody. It's screwing investors. I didn't invest. I wait and see. I give a 3-month wait and see time. Well, Elephant's older than 3 months. Thanks, Jonathan. This really does help, just because I was trying to find out if this was real. If nothing else, we know. Yeah, this is real right now. This is horrible. I'm not investing in these compounding apps anymore. Yeah, I was just talking to another YouTuber. I don't want to use his name, but I was saying when we were talking when this was happening, and I said, bro, this is just bad, not just for people in Elephant, but it's bad for DeFi in general. People don't want to invest in DeFi projects when this type of madness happens. They're just going to be sick of the whole space. Like, oh, this new protocol, and it's fun, and we do risk capital plays, but like, let's play fairly here. Let's not rug people. Like, this is the worst thing that can happen. I almost aped in this crap. I was waiting for a nice retrace. Lawsuit in the waiting. He is docked. Class action lawsuit. Well, Frosty, I mean, we haven't heard from him yet. So his hands might be clean in this. Him going, I am just as upset or frustrated. We don't know. I know it's easy to throw stones right now. It's easy to create rumors and speculate and just be angry. I'm with you. I want to pick up the stones and throw them, but I just don't know where I'm throwing them yet. So, I understand people are frustrated. You talk about, some of you have said, well, bank teller has done this stuff before. And he's addressed that. If you want, you can listen to multiple AMAs where he talked about, no, I created a separate protocol for flow that was to help with this, and it just didn't turn out right, blah, blah, blah. That's not a rug. If bank teller had rugged before, he would have never gotten the AUM, assets under management, for any of his future projects. So I don't think it's fair to say he rugged. And right now, it's definitely not fair to say he rugged Elephant. Again, not defending bank teller. I don't know this man, never met him. I did one AMA with him, and I like you was very excited about the future partnerships he talked about. He was just at Bitcoin conference, meeting with people, talking about all the exciting things. I mean, he said this morning. You guys, I just read this, but let me read it again. This is the last thing we have heard from bank teller, guys. He says, good morning. That's today. Okay. This is not a planned out thing. In my mind, you don't come in the day of the rug and go, oh, this will be fun. Good morning, everybody. I'm back to the grindstone after making a ton of partnerships. Why are you making partnerships if you know you're going to rug a project? Why would you do that? To give the appearance? I doubt it. That's me. I mean, maybe I'm naive. I could be naive. I'm totally open to that. And he says there will be a ton of building releases this spring. Elephant is undervalued, but it won't be after what's coming. I personally will be loading up since I have all the alpha, and you know how that goes. I personally will be loading up. I mean, you would have to be an absolute thief to hype your project, tell people you're loading up, which kind of assumes like you should load up with me, and then rug your effing project. That isn't how normal people act. If this man rugged, this is beyond the pale. This man, I mean, I'm not a lawyer or whatever, but like your dog, like it's going to be really bad for you. I don't at this point feel this is the behaviors of a man that has a planned out rug. He says, we know how getting a Trilly bag at 3K turned out. What does that mean that 3K turned out? If you know, leave it in the comments. I'm not sure what he means by that. Getting a trillion at 3K turned out. And only a fool would dump on a double. No more price speculation. What comes next is the next leap in unstoppable token. I mean, he's talking about the future, right? Future. And it's like, why are we talking about the future if we know we're going to rug pull? So again, not defending the man. Don't know the man. You might say, you're an idiot, Jonathan. I think someone right now that's an idiot is the person that claims they know what the heck happened. I'm saying I don't know. I'm saying I've got stones ready to go. I'd love to throw them at someone. I don't know who to throw them at. But when something falls over 86% in like 2 seconds, it's not normal. This is not normal. So let's go to the comments. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We're going to document this whole thing. So, and for the super chat, super nice. Hoodie 504. Thank you so much. Drip Farm. You are a real one for never jumping the gun. Thanks, man. But here's the thing. I did invest in Elephant. I did invest. I lost like $20,000 of my own money. So if you're like, well, you interviewed him, so you're an insider. No, that's not how this works. I have a crypto channel. Projects hit me up all the time. I ignore 90% of them. Some of them with a reputation as being in the space for a long time, like Bank Teller, who worked with Forex and Future Pro, a guy that in my mind who is publicly doxxed. When someone's publicly doxxed, you don't rug pull. All right? Because then you get jail time. So I looked at what his project had done and the success and how he built something that got over 400 AUM. I think at the time of the interview, it was 300 AUM, assets under management. To me, when you hit over 100 mil in AUM, you open up the conversation to crypto hedge funds. Now they start taking a look at you. So that's why I was like, I'm interested in this project because it reached certain benchmarks in my mind. And given a guy with his development background, I figured he's someone I can trust because he'll make sure there isn't these crazy exploits. That's what was in my mind. Is a lot of these new projects, these new developers, they copy and paste code, and the code that they use, like you saw what happened to Splasive. Even the developer, Bitcoin Brown, he said, like, yeah, we kind of copied and pasted the code. We did an audit, and the audit team said, well, there is this issue, but we didn't think it would be an issue, so we didn't really deal with it. And then their project gets rugged. Okay, like, this is what I'm talking about. This project. Relaunching soon, of course. So, I like really, that's why I follow Drip and Animal Farmers, because I trust Forex. I don't think Forex needs the money. I think he's probably multi-millionaire. Money isn't the thing for him. He's in it for the legacy. He's in it for recognition. He wants to accomplish something big. Just like Elon Musk. Imagine saying everything Elon Musk does is about money. Like, no, Elon's working on a different level. He doesn't care about money anymore. Like his purchase of Twitter and, him turning down the board. Like, what is he doing? He's working toward things that he cares about, like free speech. He sees Twitter becoming so woke that they can't allow certain people on their platform. And it's like, we all know it's bullcrap. Let people speak even if they act dumb on your platform, even if they say stupid things. Like, it's just, it is what it is. So I see Forex in the DeFi space as like the Elon Musk is to electric cars, batteries, AI, all that. I think Forex is beyond trying to make a buck, which is also represented in the dev fees of his projects. He doesn't have high dev fees. So say what you want. Forex has paused Animal Farm, which I understand is frustrating to a lot of people. You're like, give us our money, launch. Man, what does this look like for Animal Farm going forward? Is this going to make Forex look like thebomb.com? Is this going to make Drip look incredible to people because this thing has lasted over a year? Are people going to start saying, enough with these other DeFi projects? I'm running back to Drip. I'm running back to Animal Farm. I don't know. This is a shocker, guys. Let's go to the comments. Thank you guys for being here. 445 people in DeFi space. That's crazy. Right now, with 450 people watching this freaking channel, they're ticked. They're frustrated. They're like, what the heck has happened to my bag? I just talked with someone who lost $80,000 in this. I'm down 20,000. This isn't the time to like hate on each other. None of you, is this any of your fault? Is this my fault? Did I know this would happen? No. So you can gloat, and by gloating, you reveal who you really are. Now's not a time to gloat when others are suffering and losing their own hard money. It's not like you, by gloating, are defining to us who you are. And that's a very sick person. So let's go. There's so many comments right now. So thank you for the super chats. I'll definitely get to the super chats. I don't think I can get to everybody because this is crazy. It's the reason no real company would audit BT's contract. They see too many flaws. There were audits. Okay. There were audits. So anyone saying there wasn't, look at the screen. You've got a CertiK audit. CertiK audit. Security score went down. This was a lot higher. I wonder when this happened. To 76. You've got that audit from CertiK. This represents CertiK will be ticked. Solidity Finance is legit. So when you write FUD, sorry, I shouldn't have said FUD because that's not. When you create falsities and say that there was no audits in Elephant, I'm so glad that I'm here to help show people there was, and that you are just being uneducated and you're not helping by adding misinformation. Where's the proof that he has done this before? There is no proof that he has rugged before. Only drip is real, man. Revoke permission for Elephant now. I didn't invest. I think Forex is taking his time to protect against this type of stuff. Forex is a savior. Man, oh man. Good news, Forex and BP. Man, I hope Audit didn't miss this up like Splassive. I appreciate you telling the community to keep a level head until we get information. It's okay to be ticked. I'm saying keep a level head, but I'm also saying what the F? I'm ticked. So, let's read through these comments. A lot of comments about drip. Drip, drip, drip. Everything's about drip right now, which is fine. Let's see. Man, so many coming in, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get to the most important comments. I think I can think of a million reasons why he would take the money. Yeah, I mean, I don't think these protocols are set up where you can take the money. I don't know why Solidity and CertiK would be like, oh yeah, this project looks great. The developer can rug pull though. They wouldn't do that. They wouldn't put their names on these audits. Richard Hart doesn't hide his face. Bank Teller, you can find him on LinkedIn. I don't want to use his own name. I know his name. I mean, you can find it out. I just, out of respect for him, he said, hey, if you cover Elephant and we do this AMA, please refer to me to Bank Teller. So I did. Okay, someone says, Jonathan, audit says be specially confident in the developer. Where does it say that? Jonathan, the audit says be specially confident in the developer. Bank Teller. So let's check the Telegram and see if there's any information being said, any new information. Someone says, I've invested $50K inside this. I really need the money. Oh, guys, can you imagine being someone that would rug pull or steal millions of dollars from people? Like, these are real people, man. Real people with real hard-earned money, and you just steal their money. I don't know. That's effed up. Okay, still nothing. I don't see anything from Bank Teller in Elephant. That's crazy to me. How can you not put word out. Get somebody to send a word out. So, yeah. I let people know Elephant had an exploit months ago. The two projects have nothing to do with each other, and the developer of Elephant is known. Okay. And you're going to get comments like this, guys. Someone knew about this a month ago. Oh, gosh. You guys are insane. So, the price, if you're looking at the price, guys, we're really just cruising here. I'll update the buy orders here. Yeah, these are like, see the $60, $21. These are all little retail guys, and they're selling, unfortunately they're selling at the bottom. And if anything, I mean, I'm not selling. If you ask me, what do you do right now? I'm not selling because who knows if there's another pump by the same people that rugged. They pump it up and then they wait for people to pile back in and then they do it again. Who knows? But I there's no point in taking a 20%. You do realize when you sell, there's a 10% tax. So it's even less than what you're looking at. So you can see my bag here. If I were to sell right now, $1,700, I'd actually lose $170. So I would be out. I would get $1,500 right now. So it's like not worth it for me. But you guys do whatever you want to do. If you need to sell to get something, then that's fine. But I've also seen projects where the money does come back in, but you don't know, right? I'm not saying buy. I'm not saying sell. I have no idea. I need more information. Okay, someone sent a super chat and I want to find it. Thank you for whoever did that. You had a question, so we're going to cover that. To the 454 people here, go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel. We're going to cover all this. You guys know I did an AMA with Bank Teller, so click the notification bell if he decides to come on and do an AMA with me. You're going to want to know about it. So it's kind of stupid. You should probably subscribe and but don't subscribe because YouTube, because it's a crypto channel, they sometimes don't show this. So you have to hit the notification bell. And then once I go live like this, you'll get an alert and you'll go, oh, frick, there's some alpha. What's Bank Teller saying? If he comes on, I don't know. But I'm trying to be as nice and polite. So Bank Teller, you're watching me. I'm being pretty fair. You can come and do a AMA with me. I think it would be very, very helpful. The last one we did was probably your most watched AMA. It can't be anybody's wallet. It could be mine, and I'm here to just watch everybody panic. Awesome. The audit said issues about the whitelist address that's able to withdraw. It's very bad for DeFi. Yes. Someone says Bank Teller is in the Telegram now. I've checked. He's not. I have not seen him in the Telegram. So not sure where you're seeing this. I'm looking, and I don't see any comments. Okay, because it would be pinned. So there's no new pinned comment. Okay, this is news. I don't know whether this is real or not, but this is breaking news. I'm going to show you guys. This right here, I don't know if this is real, but it was in our Telegram group. This is Forex Shark saying, I told you guys Elephant had a major exploit. Should we revoke contract? And it was only a matter of time. This is 10:20 a.m. So I'm not sure how that time marks up, whether this is real. I cannot verify this. So please take this with a grain of salt. Sometimes you have people that create these looking threads and they're false. So I need that to be verified. Let's do this. Sorry guys, my screen went dark there. Didn't realize that. Apologize. Let's see. Still no word from Bank Teller. Let's go back to the YouTube comments. Maybe show the transaction of the flash loan on the screen. What are you talking about? Certic pulled the audit for Seifu, claiming they were suspect, but let this and many other rugs go through. Well, guys, if that's true, then Certic becomes a stupid name in the DeFi space. Their audits mean nothing. Okay? This affects Certic. It'll affect everybody that put their name on this. Sorry, but I am not sad for people who don't do your own research. There you go. What about those that did the research and didn't know that there would be this type of a exploit? Any whitelist address can withdraw funds from the Elephant and BUSD Treasury. Yeah, I think you can withdraw funds from Trunk if you want. You cannot withdraw funds from, let's go look. From the Stampede, you can always take away your funds here. You just come here and you click withdrawal. So I could withdraw this right now, but again, it's $730. It's fine. But you can see I've got these perpetual bonds. I have $4,000. These are locked. So there's nothing I can do except for, I can claim $2 in rewards right now if I wanted to. Least of my concerns is looking at what's happening with Trunk. The big news, if you're just joining us, is this AUM went from 400 or something down to 92, and you've got Elephant that only has 42 million locked up right now. The price is ridiculous. This happened earlier today. You've got this huge red candle. We are trying to find out what happened. Millions and millions of dollars were sold all at once. And since then, you've got all the snowball effect retail traders that are just like, get my $100 out, whatever. But look at, guys, you got $124,000 at the time of me talking right now that just got pulled out. So this person's probably at work, heard about it, and thought, you know what, I'll take my losses. This $124,000, this means this guy had maybe $500,000 or more invested, in my opinion, if they're selling here. Who knows? I mean, I guess that is just me speculating, but if you're selling that much money, you're taking a loss. You're selling at pretty much the bottom, in my opinion. Okay. Yeah. I have over 1 trillion in Elephant. Yeah. Audits ensure trust in the team prior to investing, as they have significant control within the ecosystem. Whitelisted addressability to withdraw funds from the treasuries and mint Trunk at any time. I see BT muted the chat. He will address the issue. Hang tight. He is on. Okay, let me look. Writing messages isn't allowed in the group. Yes, that is breaking news right now. It was a couple minutes ago. It seems as if someone has gone into the Telegram group, Elephant Money, and you can no longer leave comments. So I'm assuming that is probably from Bank Teller, and maybe he will address this soon. If he does, we will go live. So thank you for the updates in the YouTube comments. I appreciate that. I think yes, correct. The first sell-off transaction was a over $1 million transaction. Laguna writes, Jonathan, shame on you. Okay, I'm not sure why shame on me. This isn't my fault. I didn't do anything. I'm literally just documenting projects that I'm investing in, and unfortunately, this right here is a disaster. Jonathan, I hate to say that you're just another rug salesman on the side of the road, bro. No hard feelings. Well, I mean, that says more about you than it does me. I'm not a salesman. I'm documenting my DeFi journey because I thought people might be interested. Clearly, you came to the channel. You're watching my stuff, so thank you for helping support the algorithm of some rug salesman. That's not what I'm doing. I'm trying to make money just like you are. None of us expected this. I mean, $450 million was put in this. I bet you there's smarter people than me that put their money in this. $450 million? And somehow this little YouTuber is the cause of this? I caused this? Makes a lot of sense. Anyways, there's always trolls. Never start a YouTube channel if you can't deal with it, guys. This is just sad. Stop with these forks. Drip is king. Yeah, everyone on this channel, I can't tell if it's because you guys are already subscribed, but we're getting a lot of new viewers probably here today. Everyone is talking about drip right now. And it's like, I wonder if this will be bullish for drip. We should look. Let's look at the price of drip. Has this had any impact on drip price? Yeah, no, not yet. It's just doing its thing. But it doesn't mean that over time, people might say, I'm sick of these DeFi projects. Let's go back to the OG drip. Drip's been around for a year this month. Congrats to the drip community. That's awesome. No rug pulls in drip. How wonderful. What a refreshing thought. So, yeah, these are just some of the projects that I'm in and look at. I've got other charts too that I look at, but this is on the deck screener. Let me pull up elephants since you're all probably wanting to look at this. All right, let's keep looking at the comments. Thank you guys for being here. Like and subscribe. How is Trunk affected by what is happening? So far, I haven't seen anything except the APR go up for Trunk. So I don't know. I'm not investing more money in Trunk and Elephant until we get answers. So, and you probably shouldn't either. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but like, really? Don't you want answers before you like throw your money in? You're the only person to address this. Thank you. Yeah, I try to be I try to be a really good YouTuber in the space. I try to be honest, transparent with what I'm doing. And so thank you. Thank you for being here. I think that's why 515 people are here. They want to talk. I want to talk. I want to be a voice. And I know the bank teller knows who I am. He did an AMA with me, and it was probably his most successful interview. So, bank teller, if you want to come on here, let's do it. Let's get your side of the story. What happened? Don't hide away. Just answer people's questions, and let's see what the heck's going on. Man, the comments are coming in, guys. Thank you. There was another super chat. Now I can't find you. So whoever you are, thank you for sending the super chat. I'm just trying to locate it. Yeah, I guess earlier there was a golden goose rug. I wasn't in that. Never documented that. I know YouTubers were all excited about that one. I never got into that. Splassive, I never talked about Splassive. Never got into Splassive. So, you know. Do you feel bad about what you said about them 3 DeFi projects yet? I don't know what that means. Someone just lost 223K in Elephant and Stampede. Yeah, this is real life, man. This is real people's money. Someone writes, you better stick with drip. Well, this is why I teach our team, not team, but the followers of the channel to diversify. Right? Because you never know what project this crap can happen to. So saying just be in drip, drip. It's like, well, no. I mean, drip's been great, but the price has sucked. It's gone down like, I don't know. What is that? 70 something percent. I mean, Elephant's down 86%. These things happen over time. But if you look at the history of drip, depends when you got in. You could be laughing. You could have got in drip at $9 and it's sitting at $33 today or whatever. And you're like, I'm making money. It all depends when you got in. I came into Elephant probably just like a month ago. And so I'm feeling it today. Full transparency. I've taken a big L today, my friends. This is huge. And you know me, I'm not like a OG drip guy. So I don't have millions and billions of dollars where like this doesn't actually hurt me. This hurts me big time. Big time it hurts me. Sucks, man. So, you know, in times like this, when things like this happen with Elephant, I am sure glad I do have drip. And I've got these other protocols that I'm invested in that still pay me out. They're working. But so if you have like 10 and 3 survive, you'll probably be able to use those 3's profits to offset the 10. Does that make sense? That's at least how I'm thinking about it. But you do you. You can play the DeFi game however you want. It truly is the wild, wild west. The guy that said I was a rug salesman is now coming back and saying, my bad. I didn't mean rug salesman. I meant rug marketer, which is beneath the salesman. Oh, gosh. People love to be keyboard warriors. They feel tough, man. He mentioned my name. I'm 39 years old, and I appreciate your approach and advice with DeFi. We're all adults here, risk capital only. Thanks, Marcus. Very reasonable comment. Yo, are making drip every day, so price doesn't matter. Price matters less. Price matters. If you're making 0.0001, and that's the price of drip every day, you would start saying price matters. So to just say price doesn't matter, well, depends. If the price of drip becomes 0.1 cent USD in value, you might start changing your tune. How can 20 million, and I'm not saying drip will do that. I'm bullish on drip, guys, My channel is called The Drip Farm. So my biggest position is in drip. Well, that's why I just invest a small amount in one project. It goes up with the small amount, then I'm happy to put more. Yeah, exactly. Yellow Spy. Listen to Yellow Spy. This person starts with the small bag and lets it get profitable. If it gets more profitable, she dollar cost averages in. Smart, refreshing. Good on you. Pulse chain. I am in Pulse X. I do not believe it'll 1000x on the day of launch. If that happened, you can't pay off everybody that invested. So all you that are like hoping for your 1000x, mathematically it cannot happen. It won't happen. So I've sacrificed $4,000 in Pulse X. I'm excited for the launch. I think it'll be a welcomed platform, especially with Ethereum prices for gas fees. But the timing of its launch is very, very important. Hopefully before Ethereum 2.0, whenever that is. But yeah, I feel rampaged from behind. Dry, very dry. Rug marketer. Y'all need to stop. That is all. Thanks for update. Crypto is all about risk capital only, but people never learn. King Richard. Don't worry, no one blames the losers, just winners. Jonathan, you are definitely not winning this time. Okay, I guess he doesn't want to be here anymore. I knew it was going to get rugged. Can you imagine being an adult still saying, I knew it was going to happen? Like you were the little bully in the playground that never grew up. Guys, I knew this was going to happen. Whoa, someone just sent a super chat. Thank you, man. That is super nice. Jonathan, I've supported you from the start. While I didn't have money in Elephant, I did in Trunk, Staking, and Stampede. The comment before from Forex mentioning Ellie having exploit 2 months ago in Animal Farm Telegram was from him. Interesting. Thank you, Camcoin. I appreciate that. Price matters when it comes. Where did it go? Sorry, guys. These comments are coming in hot. Price matters when it comes time to start cashing out. You're right. Don't mess with the stake. Everybody knows that. Don't mess with the streak. Okay. Do you reckon it's a scam? Airdrop might be the reason. No, this ain't no airdrop. We're waiting. I'm still waiting on bank teller. Nothing to report. I'm looking for news, guys. Give me news. What is happening so that we can cover this? Elephant price looks like a good time to buy. Well, go for it. You are also a really good singer musician. I hope that your channel keeps good. Thank you very much. I've been a musician most of my life. Elephant, Seifu, Drip, Yield, Beans, Diversify. Yeah, I'm in like about 15, 20 projects right now in the DeFi space. But again, that's with my risk capital. The majority of my money is in freaking stocks, which I teach all the time. I think even in the link to this video, if you're feeling broke, go get 5 free stocks from Webull. You literally click the link, you hook up your bank account with Webull, which is a stock exchange, deposit $1, and you get 5 free stocks. It's a win-win. So if you're feeling burnt today on crypto and you're like, I just want to be in the stock market, I feel you. Go buy some Tesla stock. That's what I'm in. I'm in big time in Tesla, big time in Apple, and I've made a lot of money there. So having my stocks working for me offsets the hurt that I feel on days like today when you're really ticked off about what happened in the market. Someone says bank teller is typing. I have not seen that. Not seen any comments from him. If it was hacked, he has insurance though, right? That's not how that insurance works. I think individuals purchase insurance, but it covers only a certain type of things. So it's like even that whole insurance on your crypto is a little bit vague and muddy for me. So I've never purchased insurance on anything because I'm using risk capital and I can afford to lose, even though today losing like 18 G's sucks. Is what it is. AI company's going to be big. Please don't invest in safe. Oh, shut the everybody. BT putting together a message as we speak. Okay. Is he? Well, let's see. Where's the message? Rich, what's up? I know you're in our Telegram group. Yes, the Webull offer is on. I don't want to shill stuff, but it's literally free. So if you click the link in the description, yes, you can still get 5 free stocks. They extended it through the month of April. Hey, at least you had 18K to lose, man. John, that's like saying, hey, my wife died today, and you writing, hey, at least you had a wife to begin with. People are so... Jonathan, repay evil with good. Gosh. Whoa, Buster Grill with the $1.99. Support you, bro. This is super on your Discord. This is super on your... That's so kind. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the $1.99. Maybe I can buy Tex some chicken McNuggets. Someone's buying the dip. Well, show the chart that you're buying the dip. Please purchase $1 million so that we can get a snowball effect back up and to the right. Whiskey is the answer right now. Nah. Ron, if you got to go to whiskey, you've got too much money in this game, man. You're over leveraged. Don't do it. I actually am flying out to Texas tomorrow. So if you're going to be in the Dallas area tomorrow, let me know. I'm looking for the best barbecue. I'm meeting with another famous YouTuber. If I said his name, you would know who he is. I cannot share why I'm going out there. But yes, like and subscribe. I'm going to document. 575 people here. I love you. I feel like I should flash the camera as a way of showing appreciation. Let me know in the comments. A $5 donation will get you a flash. That's the first time I've ever said that. I'm ridiculous. This is me. Hi, I'm Jonathan. I lead this dumb YouTube channel. It's called The Drip Farm. I've been on YouTube for a long time, but this channel specifically for a little over 2 months. We moved the needle up to about 11,000 subscribers. A lot of people are on here because they're just documenting what projects I'm investing in. I never tell you how to invest. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a dumb YouTuber and I create content to be entertaining, sometimes to vent. Like this video is just for me to frickin' vent. It's also a video where I'm putting an open invitation to bank tellers saying, come here, let's talk. We got 570 people. You show me someone else on YouTube that's got this many people talking about elephant. Just come here. Let's talk. We need to cover what happened. I'm sure this is the worst day. It's either the best day of your life or the worst day of your life, bank teller. I mean, I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. Obviously, I don't believe that you rugged. I really don't believe that. But some people are like, Jonathan, it's because you're like a nice guy and you trust everybody. I don't think I'm gullible, though. Maybe I am. That's fine. You can critique me. Clearly, I made a decision to invest in elephant, and right now I'm feeling really stupid that I invested in elephant. But I also know I didn't cause this or predict that this would happen. I also looked at frickin' Certic and Solidity, and kind of trust these names and their audits. And, he's throwing them over here. Certic, Solidity Finance, down 88%. Look at Certic, Solidity Finance, down 88%. These people, I want you to do an AMA. Solidity Finance, come on here and do an AMA. Talk to us about your little audit. Tell us how come you guys are the best in the business and why this audit matters. Anytime I hear the word Certic, I'm going to think about this. Anytime I hear the word Solidity, I'm going to think about today. I'm going to think about you guys. So come on here, talk. Tell us about your auditing process. My bag is now $1,600, so every minute I'm on here, I'm losing money. That's the way it is. This sucks. Screw everyone. Just kidding. Screw no one. Writing messages still is not allowed in the Telegram group. There is an admin that says the latest message from the administrator is BT is putting together a message as we speak. Wonderful. We're going to get that as soon as possible, guys. I will let you know. We will put it out there. I really don't want a message from BT. I want like a live video. I want to see his face. I want to hear his voice. I want to know what the frick just happened to thousands of investors. Thousands of people are frustrated right now. I feel that, man. 594 people here. You 594 people, I know you're not here to look at me and go, wow, he's such a great YouTuber. No, you don't care about any of that right now. All you care about is like what the F happened to your bag. And I'm with you because I'm asking the same question. So you don't need to like. You don't need to subscribe. If you're just angry at the world, fine. You can be angry at this video. I'm not selling you anything. There's no whatever. I just offered 5 free stocks if you do want to go get free money. That link is in the video. But I don't have any affiliate links in this video. You can't join my drip team. You can't join Animal Farm team. You can't join anything. It's all gone. It's all in the other videos, but not mine because I don't want you guys to be like, oh, he's doing this because he has some secret motive. No motive. My motive is to sit here and feel the pain with my friends, with my fellow investors in the DeFi space, to grieve and to say, why does this crap keep happening in the DeFi space? Who are these bad actors? How do we get real audits that don't allow this crap to happen? If you can't trust Solidity, and if you can't trust, let's put their name on here. I'm putting on a blast. Certic. What's going on, Certic? Explain to me why your name matters. When I see the word Certic and elephant on the same page, why should that matter? All resolved, all resolved, all resolved. 0 critical issues. 0 major, 0 medium, 4 minor, 4 informational. This is a major critical issue. We just lost millions and millions of dollars. Certic, help me. Help me understand why your name matters. Is anybody with me? Come on. Can I get some amens in the chat? Like you guys leaving me hanging. I'm going to leave their name up here. This is what I'm leaving on here as I look at the comments on purpose. Because 601 people right now in the DeFi space, Certic, I'm just saying, I don't know. Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, guys. I want to be wrong. Were the people in the Stampede fine? I got out of Stampede last week. Okay. I don't know. Stampede seems to be doing its thing. Certic is BS. See what they did to Seifu. I don't know. Seifu is still up and running, isn't it? Yes. Seifu before the race starts. Doxed. CEO. A whole $1,600. Why he got to be Bohemian. Can't wait for the spin. Sounds like Sleepy Money Club for Jonathan. No, you thought that's who I was going to join with James Pelton and my friend Andy. I like those guys. Sometimes I'll watch their content and I'm like, man, I trust those guys. Like, James Pelton does cover a lot of crap projects and he doesn't really give his opinion. He just kind of lets them, oh, okay, the marketing is going to be, oh, that sounds great. And here's my next question. And like, I don't know. Like, I would just be like, no. Stop saying we have a great marketing campaign coming up after launch. What is that marketing campaign? We're going to work with YouTubers. Oh, really? What YouTubers? Because like as a YouTuber, guys, a million people try to work with me every freaking day. I say no to them all. So what's your plan on getting into Jonathan's head and getting him to pump your project? Oh, he doesn't pump. Okay, then you're going to have to win him on the freaking merits of his, like, you're going to have to talk to him about your actual product. You're going to have to show him audits. Also, you got to show your freaking face. Docs your face. I don't think I'm going to do any more coverage on projects I'm in unless you show me your face. So, yeah, that's got to be a change in DeFi. So I call on all the DeFi YouTubers. Let me go real big on this. I'm about to lay down some alpha. Every YouTuber who covers DeFi projects, it's fine if you cover gamble plays. I cover some gamble plays, like these baked beans and the lucky cats and all these little crap. Yes, because we cover it as like, hey, 8% per day. These are fun little things, but we know this ain't no serious coin. That's fine. You can do that. But when you are serious about a project that you yourself are investing thousands of dollars in, you should only do that now with projects that are doxed, that show their face, that literally come on, talk about where they got their audits from, they show their face, and they talk about a clear roadmap on how they're going to grow the utility of their coin, the community, the marketing, saying vague things like we've got a great marketing plan coming up after launch. That's a nothing statement, everybody. So I personally went into a project early this week. Again, I don't document all my plays because again, I don't want you to ever copy. And I'm not trying to be a referral hoe and just, shill every project that comes my way. I'm just selective. So I'm just calling on the YouTubers, like, maybe pick projects where the people are doxed. Okay. My speech is over. There you go. Sertic, how do you feel today? Sertic, come on, let's do an AMA. Let's talk. 633 people. Probably all of you guys are liking this video. Thank you. 214 likes. That's incredible. That's 1/3 of you have liked the video. That means you want Bank Teller. You want the elephant community to see this. You want people to know what happened today. You want answers. And I respect that. Thank you. And thank you if you did subscribe to the channel and you're new to me. Hopefully we can become friends. You'll know that I'm trying to be as honest and transparent as possible. That's the way it is. So to someone that thought that I'm going to Texas tomorrow to meet up with Sleep Money Club, no, I'm not partnering them. But I like my friend Andy in this space, and I like James Pelton guy. They seem like good guys, and respect to them because I don't think they're out to scam anybody. Nothing will ever be 100% secure. Always has flaws. Look up zero-day exploits. Yeah, I watched I think it was the Joe Rogan podcast about zero-day exploits. They're crazy. Are you guys still in Telegram group? My Telegram group is huge. It's got like 3,500 people. It's ridiculous. It's very hard to manage. I do have a private Discord. No link in the description because you ain't buying it today. I don't want you buying crap today from me. I'm ticked today. So you don't have to do anything. Just join the free Telegram and you can vent. Just don't be annoying or you'll get banned because, if you don't add value, we don't want you there. Like our Telegram group is good. People add value. They don't just like make crap up. Certic is scamming as well. Someone says that. Okay. That's an opinion. What facts do you have about that? I mean, I'm looking at, see how I keep this on the screen? The longer I keep this on the screen, just saying. Not sure if face is necessary, but more transparency is very important. Lost a few. Bank Teller, I know his history, still got wrecked. Yeah, show us your face, tell us your name. Investment manager comes to you, says, I can't give you information about me, but give me 1,000, I'll double it. I like that. Good comment. Good comment. The only safe thing relatively is ownership renounced. Still could be exploited though. Forex is the best in the space and he's not doxed. I mean, Forex is doxed in the sense that like Bank Teller knows who he is. I think I even know the city in which Forex lives. I won't share that, but like there's ways to get to know who people are. People talk in this space, just so you know. Do I need to block my trunk wallet or something to be safe? I don't know. I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm not doing anything. To me, if the person who stole all the money today wants to steal even more, go just take it all. I mean, at this point, I'm down that much. Certic can't stop a rug. Well, what's the point of having an audit then, Dylan? Bank teller, tell any update about this? No, we're waiting on bank teller. Tito, thank you for $10, bro. Woo! We're eating good tonight, Tex. Thank you. Seriously, that's so generous for someone who doesn't know me to send me $10. That means a lot. Thank you. Especially on a day like today when I feel like crap down $18,000. Can you sing Love Me Like You Do Again? Okay, let's do this. Here we go. All right, this is why you came to the channel. This is how we get people to leave. 623 people. Watch the numbers drop. Here comes the numbers dropping. Here we go. Love me started too high. Let me try this again. Love me like you do. Love me like you do, baby. All right, I feel like a Backstreet Boy. I am losing followers as we speak. Hopefully it was worth the $10. Back to Elephant. All right, you guys, let's check out the price right now. I know that's what you hear. You don't want to hear me sing again. That was ridiculous. We've got a green candle. Oh my goodness, guys, we have a green candle. What the heck? Call in the masses. We have a green candle. Someone just bought $20,000. $20,000. Here comes the snowball effect. Look at the snowball effect. Coming back. What do? Do you buy more? Hey, can I get $5? Can I get $10? What are we going to do? Are we going to buy? Look at this. All the buy orders coming into Elephant. Everything's back and good. Go buy the dip. Just kidding. No financial advice. Don't know what's happening to me. Haven't taken the medications. All right, let's read the comments. Don Skiller, thanks for the $1, bro. Love you, man. Thank you. 633 people, 63% yield, blah, blah, blah. 606 people here now. 20 people left because of the singing. I will never sing again. I will never be the same again. I will never return. Look at this green candle. Are you buying the dip? Who's buying this dip? You traitors. Just kidding. Camcoin, laughing AM. LMAO. I don't know what LMAO means. Please ensure trust in the team prior to investing as they have significant control. When you sing, it goes up. Yeah. Oh my gosh. When I sang, the price went up. Guys, give me a song. Someone send a super chat. I take requests. I need to sing a song. Here, someone send a super chat. Here we go. Congrats on over 600 viewers. We can get to 1K. Okay, we've got to go. I need a song. Guys, let's pump this price back up. Give me a song. Guys, we're having fun here. It's either a song or I flash the camera, whatever you guys want. You tell me what you need. Te amo, baby. Okay. Te amo, baby. Te amo, baby, like you do. I don't know if that's what te amo means. I don't know. I only speak a little bit of Francais. Sing Sam Smith's song, I Am Not the Only... Bro, I'm only singing if you send the stupid super chats. Not for you cheapskates, okay? But look, my singing is working. I'm just saying, this could be a YouTube video in itself. Other YouTubers today are going to be like, the drip farm covers Elephant, and the price goes up. Oh my goodness. Let's go to Telegram. So far, we've got nothing. Elephant money. No news, guys. I will provide it. BT is putting together a message as we speak. That was sent 20 minutes ago. So this must be a novel. BT is writing a novel right now as we speak. His life journey becoming a multi-millionaire. Just kidding. Not time for jokes. Look at my little intro video. Me and Tex. Isn't he cute? You guys want to see that again? Look at. Oh, look at the little Tex. How come when we talk dog talk, our voices go up? Someone do some research on the psychology of that. Okay, if you're in Dallas, go to Pecan Lodge. Write that down. Pecan Lodge. What is Pecan Lodge? Bitcoin is down 5%, everybody. No, sorry, Dogecoin is down 5%. So what was the name of that restaurant? Because I'm going. I need good barbecue tomorrow. Pecan Lodge. It better not suck. Or J-Dog Moon Money is going to hear from me, okay? You're going to hear from me. You and Mike should do a song. Sing more Timberlake. Cry me a river. Ba ba ba. And sync. Yes, I love that. Good joke. Someone says sing bye bye bye, but they wrote the words bye as in B-U-Y. Genius. Love it. Jonathan, sing bust a move and then bust a move. Look at this. I will do anything for $5. What is bust a move? Bust a move. Is that good? Bust a move. I have no friends. I would unsubscribe actually right now. Go ahead and like and unsubscribe to this video if you want to see more of me acting like an idiot. This is why I'm single. Brian is a subscriber. Who let the dogs out? Who? Now, who let the... I am not happy. I don't know why I'm singing. You know why I'm singing? Because I freaking lost $18,000 and I'm frustrated as all get out because there's no answers. Look, guys, I am taking this serious. I am sorry if we're trying to... this is the way I cope, all right? So don't yell at me for grieving by trying to just shake it off. Shake it off. Adam writes cringe. Bro, I am with you on the cringe. This is the cringiest live stream on YouTube today. I'm with you. Tell the history of what you know about elephant. Okay, thank you for the $1.99. So here's what happened. I understood that Forex and Elephant, they started this project together. Then he did some things. I guess Forex didn't like it. They break off, like Paul and Silas. They go their own way. They're on Team Defi, but they do their own projects. Then Forex does drip and uses a lot of the code from Flow. And then you got Bank Teller, who's like, I will not be beaten. So he starts Elephant and creates a stable coin with Trunk. And then he blows it up and they get 400 AUM. And I see, man, this Elephant thing is really taken off, attracting a ton of money. It's over 100 million AUM. I should see if I can get Bank Teller on here and tell me the story. Bank Teller comes, he does a story of elephant money. And you can see right here, I'll zoom out when he did the interview. So you can see I have it all right here. Jonathan releases his elephant money video right here, but guys, boom. And we did an AMA. It was the biggest AMA he's ever done. And boom, it just skyrocketed for the next following days. And then it took a little dip, but it was still, cruising along. Still cruising along. You can see I bought more, 3 BNB. And then today happened. That's the history of Elephant. Today happened. Some major red candles. So everybody right now, we're just kind of grieving. We're processing. We have no answers. We're waiting to hear from Bank Teller. That's where we stand right now. This was multi-million-dollar sell-off in 1 minute. 1 minute candle. Hopefully that helps. Let's see. Anyone else got any smart AS comments? Bitcoin Brown, how much money was drained? Oh my gosh, Bitcoin Brown. Bro, I don't know if this is the place. Bitcoin Brown is the founder of Splassive. They had a major exploit. People lost a lot of money. Bitcoin Brown, I appreciate you being here. You always are in our Telegram group answering questions. If you want, you can talk about Splassive and give us an update what is going to happen, because a lot of people got wrecked in your project. I'm not saying it was your fault. I do appreciate that you said we were aware of the possibility of because you did get notified by, I don't know if it was who did your audit, but it sucks. Sucks what happened here, and it sucks what happened here. Big time. Frick, man. Does anyone like DeFi anymore? Matt Cox says, you're only down 17K now. I know. Hey, that's like a Toyota Prius. 1999 Toyota Prius I could have bought. Oh, man, wonderful. We need to J sometime. Yo, you cool AF, LOL. I'm not that cool, bro. I'm in my 30s singing NSYNC on a YouTube channel. I know my place in the world. You have guys like Elon that are launching rockets to space, and then guys like me that lose $18,000. That's the difference. There's a lot of humans on that spectrum of like really dumb and super Elon smart. I'm more in this range. So all the compliments you give me, I know where I belong in this world. Right here. Right there. Anyways, dude, you're rocking the Journey shirt. Don't stop, believe. Oh, I suck. All right, 300 million drained. Yes. It's mooning, just not the right way. Trying to buy back, says user access to 9 team dgen. Haha. Whoa, someone just did a super chat. Thank you. What is BT's history in the crypto scene? Is he reputable? P.S. I sent a large group from a separate Telegram to your video to learn. That's so nice. Hopefully you just heard me go through that. I did just give a history there, a little quick history lesson. Yes, Forex and BT did work together. Yes, there was a falling out. I don't know if these two men have made personal gains. I know that Bank Teller is a big investor into this. He's got a bag in this. Okay, he's made a lot of money in Drip. Bank Teller did. Okay, he's very transparent about that. So he is obviously a believer in this, but he went and started this, did his own thing, and it is what it is. So. People asking, do I think he rugged? I don't think he rugged. Based on the message he wrote this morning, I've shared this with you guys. This is the last message from Bank Teller. Good morning. I'm back from the grindstone after going to the Bitcoin conference in Miami. There'll be a ton of building releases this spring. Elephant is undervalued, but it won't be after what's coming. I personally will be loading up. I mean, who says this if they're about to rug? You know, I don't know. I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe I'm naive. I don't think I'm naive, but whatever. Wow, Beach Office 365. Bro, hey, this guy has a YouTube channel. I saw his video. I actually was walking my dog this morning and saw a new YouTuber in the drip space. And this guy's on my YouTube channel giving me $4.99. Go check out his YouTube channel. Go like and subscribe. That's super nice. Who does that? Here's a few bucks. Hopefully cheers you up. Thank you for all you do. Bro, thank you for your YouTube channel. And you're helping people get into drip, or at least letting them know about the opportunity to drip. That's why I started my YouTube channel, is documenting my journey. Commit to never telling people to buy drip. Commit to never telling them to invest in anything. Just document your journey. And always remind your audience to use risk capital, because people need those reminders. There's no get rich quick. There are losses in DeFi. Today is a loss, okay? This is bad. But bro, thank you for the $5. There are so many amazing people in the world. You are one of them. Go check out Beach Office 365 as he documents his journey in Drip. Drip is a copy of Bank. Yes, I have a video all on that. Chris Gibson, go back in my videos and look up. I have Drip and Bankroll Flow. I have a video on that. Why is trunk staking showing an APR of 600? Levon, I have a feeling it has to do with the mechanics of as elephant falls, trunk APR goes up. I do not know though. Something I wish I could ask Bank Teller. Yeah, see, 600%. This should be at like 60 to 70%. So clearly this is correlated to what's happening with elephant. 3K will go to zero before 20K. Please sell its money. Tex will be happy. 3K will go to zero before back. Guys, I'm staying in this game. I'm an idiot because who knows what the future is of elephant. I mean, maybe one big crypto hedge fund gobbles up this dip. Who knows? Who knows? But right now, I just don't want my realized loss of 18,000. I'm staying in the game. And I haven't heard from Bank Teller, so I don't know. I don't know what's happened yet. Trying not to jump the gun. Okay, still no message from Bank Teller. Guys, I'm on it. I'm checking for you guys. 616 people here today? What the? Bro, thank you for being here. It means the world. Seriously. Thank you. Thanks for liking the video. I think because you guys are liking, it's getting out there and it's blowing up. And share this in your Telegram groups. Let's get answers right here. We want Bank Teller back on this channel. Maybe he'll hop on live. Bank Teller, I got my phone right here. Call me up, man. I'll put you on this audio. We'll talk. Let's get the word out. You got 630 people now that are investors. Guys, like the video. Let's get Bank Teller's attention. Subscribe to this channel. Show it that we mean business here, that we're not going to put up with fake, with crap. All right, guys. Yes, bank teller is an MIT graduate. He is an MIT graduate. Do you understand what being an MIT graduate means? It means he's smarter than every one of you combined. Sorry, I'm just saying. And me and two. Like, I just don't think, my gut doesn't tell me this man rugged. I don't think he's off with our money, guys. So, and I'm not even, he's not like a close friend. I did one AMA with him. So I'm not trying to defend someone I don't really know well, but I also feel like everybody's worth a fair shot until we hear otherwise. I'm giving people the benefit of the doubt till I hear what's going on. Someone says, man, I was just about to join last night. Wow. Lucky you, you didn't. Will buy if treasury balance stays steady and ticks up. Yeah, Greg. All right, man. Greg's an admin in our Telegram group. So thank you, Greg, for being here. Please do your admin duties in the Telegram group. Anyone that drops anything stupid. If someone writes, I told you so, please ban them from the group. Not because, just because that comment's stupid. Like, they're trying to act like they knew. Like, no one knew. So don't be dumb. So thank you, Greg, please, because I can't be in the Telegram group right now. I am busy as all get out. 630 people need answers, and we're here to give them to them. We aren't all investors of the scam. Okay. So thank you. Glad you're not an investor. Did you see his degen? I mean, come on. I can say kind of crap. Does it make it true? But he says he's got hacked. You fool. Twitter is saying it was an exploit, and Twitter is a legitimate news source. Around 6,000 users of Elephant. Yeah, this is a big deal. It's a big deal in DeFi space. This will get major news, guys. False news. Piston token is not a rug, guys. The developers are active in Piston. It's still going. Splash was, again, not a rug. A rug implies the dev took all your money. Bitcoin Brown is, he literally was just in this chat a minute ago. He might still be watching. It's an exploit, okay? An exploit is different than a rug. Let's use the language properly. Stop water pump. Okay. Yeah, I need to go do that. We knew it. BT scam before. MIT tuition is expensive. Red rocket. We won't get 100% for trunk in dollars. We get 75% for one trunk. Yes, exactly. Yeah, trunk, that's a good point. Trunk is pegged not to $1, but it's pegged 75% of one trunk is pegged to $1 and 25% of it is pegged to Elephant. So this should affect trunk negatively, but yet we haven't seen that. So I don't understand. Yes, Monopoly money was a rug. Correct. And guess who never mentioned Monopoly money? Guess who had his admins ban anybody who mentioned Monopoly money in their Telegram? That was me. Guess who never covered it? Me. Yes, I don't cover that. Jonathan, please dig into Elon Musk's track record. He is well documented, and there are many trying to get the truth out. Did you see Twitter saying we have to do a background check on Elon Musk before he joins the board? That backfired on them. Elon's like, yeah, I don't want to be on your board anymore. Is Elon Musk going to launch his own version of Twitter, social media? I don't know. I think he has opportunity. What's like 40 billion? It's about finding the right people. It'll always be about, can he hire the right people to build the infrastructure to build a product? It'll never be a money issue for Elon. Maybe he'll just buy a deeper stake in Twitter and have more control. That maybe the CEO of Twitter will eventually leave. But you'll know. Elon's not going to put up with watching America go down the drain as we lose freedom of speech. Okay? You don't have to agree with anybody. You don't have to like everybody. But my gosh, give everybody the opportunity for free speech. One of the great stories I love about the Vice President Mike Pence. Again, say what you want about him, whether you're a fan or not. It's not the point of the story. Could care less whether you like him or don't like him. But he was in the limousine riding with his daughter. And he got all these, his daughter was noticing all these people like putting up signs going like, Pence, you suck. You know, we wish you'd die and all this stuff. And his daughter was getting upset. He's like, Dad, how can you deal with that? And he said, I want you to look again, but look differently. He said, what you're seeing outside with all those signs of hate toward me, that is a picture of freedom. And I love that. He said, that is a picture of freedom. And it should never change. Let people say whatever they want to say. And that's why Elon's the man. He's the freaking GOAT because he's working for your behalf and my behalf to make sure America stays America, a place where we have freedom of speech, where idiots can say crazy, horrible things, even untrue things, and we still let them, and we let the free market decide. There's so many ways to deal with this. Better than just banning people on Twitter. And clearly Twitter leans left. And so, even if it leaned right, I would come out here and say, no, don't ban people on the left. Like, you guys agree with me. Anyone with an educated brain knows what I'm saying is just true. And Elon is smarter than me, and I'm on Team Elon because I believe he has good intentions for America, for the world. And he can't be bought anymore. So he doesn't need money. All right, that was my rant on Elon. You can tell I love the man. Elon is the smartest man on the planet today, probably one of the smartest men on the planet. Marketing genius as well. How much money has Tesla spent on marketing? 0. Fastest growing automobile company. You know how hard it is to start an automobile company, especially against all the unions and how many parts you need. Like, come on, give the man credit and respect. And when Joe Biden invited all the electric car companies to the White House and he forgot to invite Tesla and Elon, and yet Elon grew up in America. He's from South Africa, but then he starts Tesla in America. Tesla is an American story. Tesla is an American story. And you don't invite him to the White House? I'm just saying, that's all political. And then you find out, the UAW is behind a lot of the money that gets guys like Joe Biden elected. And then you go, this is why I hate politics. This is why I hate the left and the right, because they're all bought. It's why you got Donald Trump, who was able to get successfully elected because people were like, finally a guy who can't be bought. But then he acts like a crazy man a little bit. He's got some good policies. America was doing fine, blah, blah, blah. Not a political channel. Just saying. Okay. You guys. I can't wait. Some of you are going to be so triggered by what I just said. By the way, guys, those SPY orders have kind of stopped. We're not seeing much movement. Let me go to the minute chart to show you. So you can see we had a little bit of a pump. I'm going to leave it here so you guys feel good seeing that green candle. This was like a $20,000 buy order, I think, that started this. Still no news right now. Still waiting. No news from the man himself, Bank Teller, the founder of this project. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing to this channel. I don't know why you wouldn't. We're gonna keep it real here. Exploit is the new rug. Yeah, I've thought about that. Saying exploit is the new rug and creating these exploits where you backdoor rug pull. I guess I'm looking for evidence of that. So, if Certic and Solidity didn't see that, then what does that say about them, right? So if an exploit is clearly ignored by these guys, what does that say about their audits? So I'm just saying. It's organic. You're banning people now? I've always banned people. You have to. If you run a Telegram group, you have to ban bad actors. There will be bad actors that show up in your Telegram group. And when it's my personal community, guess what? I get to decide who I want to hang out with, just like in real life and Telegram. So if you don't add value, you come in, and if you're disrespectful or even if you're rude to me, like, of course I'm going to ban you. Now, if I run a protocol and I was managing drip and animal farms, of course I would run those Telegram groups differently, because you have to put your personal biases aside and you have to run it very professionally. And clearly, even then, I'm pro-banning. You have to ban people. It's just the way running any group is. There will be bad actors and idiots that come in. So yeah, if that was meant as a smart comment, then yeah, I'm very clear that I'm pro-banning, just not unnecessarily or unjustifiably banning someone. Who remembers Rock Game? I do. I know who shilled it too. Murdoch Defi. Elon will just buy Twitter. I don't think he'll buy Twitter because I don't think there's opportunity to buy the whole company. Trunk is at 78 cents. Interesting. Adam, where do we see that? Is that... let me look. Trunk. Wow, guys. That's freaking crazy. Thank you for that, Adam. Elephant money is no longer pegged at $1. Frick. And you know why? See how this dropped 22%? That's because it's elephant money. Let me get this clear. Trunk is 25%. 25% of trunk is elephant. 75% is stable. Okay? So what does that mean? It means whatever happens to trunk will affect elephant to a degree. At least 25% of it. So, yeah, so right now, if I show you my bag, let me show you my bag. If you show me yours, you can see what I have locked up. I got $4,000 in here, 700 here, about 5 G's in trunk. I don't know. So I guess when you're in the Stampede perpetual bonds, it doesn't matter. I can't get this money anyways. But when I get paid out in trunk, this is where it matters. See this three trunk? I used to look at that and go, oh, that's $3. No. Now you're getting paid out, at least where the price is now. I would be claiming $3, not $3, 3 trunk times the price of it is 0.77. I'm only getting $2.31. So it means that I'm making less APR right now. Even though it says 205, I think this is fixed in the actual website. This doesn't move. It no longer is accurate. Okay? This is not accurate because it's only accurate if this stays true to being a pegged currency. This, my friends, is a complete disaster. This is not good. Wow. Okay. BT just sent a message. Okay, let's cover the message here. All right, I'm going to read this message to you guys right now. So let's open up this message, copy it so you guys can see. All right, I want to make sure everybody sees this. Okay, let's read. We are investigating a coordinated exploit by several bad actors in the space against the herd. Before we get into the details, just know that the quality of your enemies will improve with success. The quality of your enemies will improve with success. Okay, to start, we have not been administratively hacked and nothing has changed on the network from a contract perspective. Please reference the past activity of the Elephant deployer to confirm. Several smart contracts and resources were used to automate an attack against the Elephant treasury. We are currently investigating the specific transactions and attack vectors used to remedy the situation in the short term. Actions we are taking now. We are pausing the reserve, which will disable Stampede and the minting, redeeming of trunk. We are working with our partners at Certic, Insurance Ace, to investigate this attack. Actions you should take. Do not sell. Do not answer DMs. Your friends are seifu. What does that mean? Your funds are seifu. The base layer, what does that mean? The base layer of the Elephant Money platform is secure and has stood up to this challenge. The exploit of the reserve will be addressed and we will move on. For all information communication during this triage, please go to this. Interesting. What are your guys' thoughts? Seifu means safe. I think we should just stop using the word Seifu since it's an actual different protocol, maybe. Yeah, and I don't think you should use the word safe when people just lost 87% of their money. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Yeah, I'm reading over your comments. What are your guys' thoughts? That's what we get. That's what we got? That's it? Man. Elephant money, stable, is a future-proof to compound profits. April 3rd. So this is where Bank Teller is going to post updates on this Medium chat. His last post is April 3rd, but he said he'll be posting more details as to what happened. Elephant Money and InsureAce partner to secure stablecoin yield. And this is interesting. Let's read this, guys, to understand whether or not we're going to get protected from this insurance. Elephant Money is built around the stablecoin, back 25%. 50% of bombs. Yeah. This is telling us all about what it is. 80% of the tokens are held. The locked liquidity in Elephant is the built-in insurance policy for redeeming both Elephant. The platform is also 89 out of 100 security score from CertIC. Okay, so what happened? See this? This is from the man himself, Bank Teller. And then if I go over here to CertIC, it's 76. So when did this change? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? We're doing some investigative reporting here. Okay, so 76 is there. What are you guys' thoughts on that? $89,100 security score. The reason we need additional smart contract risk insurance for Elephant is largely for compliance. Uh-oh. Professional asset managers need to cover all potential externalities when it comes to risk for investors. Yep. Meaning he's talking about if we're ever going to get crypto hedge fund money, we got to do all this stuff. The blockchain itself is largely unstoppable. However, there's always some small degree of smart contract risk in any system. There you go. That's true, especially if the system does have administration controls. This is the case with Elephant Money. Being tied up to BSD and the USD, there are necessary controls that are in place. We're delighted at Elephant Money to be able to provide comprehensive insurance covering smart contract with insurance. Okay, we are delighted at Elephant Money to be able to provide. InsureAce was the first insurance protocol presented and asked for by the largest whales in the community. We welcome InsureAce to the herd. You can purchase insurance. Did anybody purchase their insurance with InsureAce? I'd sure love to hear it. I didn't. It's a decentralized multi-chain insurance protocol. At the time of writing, InsureAce has provided coverage to 114 plus protocols. Yet to me, this sounds like you only get insurance if you bought it. So if you didn't buy insurance, this ain't going to help you any. Okay? I'm not going to get into all that. Let's go back here. We just had a $44,000 buy order on Elephant. There you go. I mean, who knows? Does this stuff run up again? I have no idea. This is DeFi. It's freaking crazy. BT's announcement's kind of sketchy, doesn't make any sense. Well, it might not make sense to you, Tyler, but it doesn't mean it doesn't make sense. Honestly, don't usually like you, but today I really appreciate what you're doing. Russ, thank you for that backhanded compliment. Are we 15? Honestly, I don't really like you, but today I love you. I'm not convinced he doesn't have anything to do with it. I don't think everybody will ever be convinced. Certic is not trustworthy. Yeah, like Certic, seriously. I can't wait. All these audit companies, Splasiv's little crappy audit company, they spent $8 for 8 bands. This is what I'm talking Splash. They spent $8,000 for their audit. Screw them. All right? Screw them. Solidity, screw you. Certic, screw you. Everybody that does these audits, like, you put your name on here. We try to trust in your work because we're not freaking coders, right? I mean, well, you should have done your I do my research. My research includes looking for names like Certic, looking for names like Solidity. That's what I'm looking for. And so when I finally do my research and I come across Elephant Money and I see they're double certified and this was 89, but now it's 76. Are you effing kidding me? Screw this whole space. Screw DeFi. It's all bull crap at this point. I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts? Am I going off the deep end? Like and subscribe to this video. I'm preaching, man. Look at this. Preach, brother. Rug Doc? Yeah. KYC? Even KYC's bull crap. How easy it is to get KYC, all that needs to change. There needs to be one sweet audit company that comes out. Like rise to the top. Hey, if you're an audit company, let's go full screen. Here we go. Here we go. Watch this. Watch this. If you are an audit company and you want mass exposure, you can come on my channel for free. No paid sponsorship, nothing. But you have to be the lead audit company. That is way you prove to me why you're better than Certic, how you KYC people. We need this. This is the way. This is the way for DeFi to move forward, guys. So we need good auditing where they look you in the eye and they go, is this guy getting a rug pull? He doesn't look like a rug puller. He's good. Put him up, put the audit on the website. Oh my gosh. Certic, like, these are bad days for these companies. Certic, Solidity. I'm just saying, I'm thinking differently about them. What are you guys? Am I stupid? Maybe I'm stupid. Like the video if you think I'm stupid. Make sure you subscribe. I'll make sure I entertain all day. Screw DeFi, you're right. Yeah, people are feeling it. Because, you know, when we YouTubers, we say do your own research, right? And here's why we mean do your own research, okay? Because you come here to these little crappy protocols and you're like, where's the audit? Oh, no audit. Okay, then this is a total gamble play. These are gamble plays, which is fine. These things don't even need audits because we're like, these are gamble plays. People are like, oh, bro, this is audited. Look at, here's a great example. Audited by TTEB Finance. Oh, really? Oh, this has an audit. This is bull crap. This is bullcrap audits, okay? We know that. We're not in it for the audits. These are gamble plays. You make 8%, you get in, you get out. But these names, Solidity, Certic. I thought I was doing my own research, thinking that these are the names you can like and trust. Maybe I'm wrong. My stablecoin's now worth 77 cents, douche. So stupid. We got 90 million. Dropped from its glory days of like 400 to 500 mil. I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore. If you guys feel like I'm feeling, we're just being honest. We're bleeding with our hearts here. 641 people are still watching. That means you guys are ticked. Tex, the people need to see your face. They're upset. They need a therapy dog. Come here. Tex, come here. Come on. My dog doesn't even like me. He's that depressed today too. Someone sent me $5. Thank you. Audit company must take fingerprints. Must meet people in person. Ooh, must do full background investigation. Also publish. Yeah. Do you guys know of a great audit company? Let's put them on blast. We'll make them the best thing ever. My friend Andy mentioned one that was in the space the other day, and I can't remember what he said. But I think, yeah, We need the best audit companies in the world. Certic is BS. There are multiple projects that rug with Certic. Yeah, cryptocurrency. Give me the list of all the Certic audits that suck. Send that to me in my Telegram, and I'll do a video, and we will expose the crappiness of Certic. Okay, we're done. We're done. Let's do it. Put a list together. Send it to me in my Telegram. My link is in the description. This is how we change the DeFi space. Join me on this journey, guys. Let's go. Like and subscribe to this effing freaking stupid video. Not because you like me, but because you know we're going to make a splash in the DeFi space and clean this crap up. And Bank Teller knows me, and he knows I did an AMA, and he knows it's his best watch AMAs. Bank Teller, come on here. Let's go. You sent a message. You probably have time now. You can do an AMA. You got 616 people watching. Let's talk. Respectfully. Like, respect. I'm not blaming you. I'm not saying anything. I just think you should talk to your investors in as best as you can. I get we're not all freaking coders, so you have to tone it down from your MIT level to like stupid level to talk to a guy like me, but at least you can give us some reassurance of like what happens in times like this. Is what do we do going forward? I mean, I'm sure you've given it some thought right now. So yeah. Someone says I want to see Tex. Well, frick, just a second. Tex, come here. Tex, come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. He's so ticked. He's so mad. I don't think I can be on here much longer. I'm not going to have a friend. Even my dog is angry at me. All right, let's go. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Shh. You guys might get to see Tex. Let's go through these comments quickly while he comes. I'm super late to the party, so what the heck happened? Yeah, bro, I know. Go to their Telegram group, and you can read for yourself the message from him. Actually, I'm going to post it here, so you guys can stare at it. This is the update from Bank Teller while you read it. This dude is going mental. That is for sure, Allie, for sure. And that's why you're here. Isn't it fun? You get good views when you act like a mental crazy man. If I go like this and act bored all whole day, you'll be like, yeah, this guy sucks. Oh, yeah, that's it. Daniel, James, I believe that is it. Obsidian is the answer. They are the best people in the space for audits. I love this. I love this. Anybody else agree? Obsidian. Let's get their name out there today, and let's get them on every project we ever invest in. We will demand that you get Obsidian to audit. That is what we are going to look for going forward. Do your own research. We're going to say, hey, have you looked into Obsidian? Tell me, prove me wrong for having that mentality. Tell me something, because I'm learning like you are. Like, if I ask for someone that I'm looking to put some serious coin in, have you looked into Obsidian to be audited? Am I dumb for asking them to do that? Why shouldn't they do that? Okay. Dude, just invest with Seifu. Guys, I have money in Seifu. I just don't cover it on this channel. I have a lot of money in a lot of different projects. If the Seifu guy, CEO, wants to DM me because he wants an AMA, I know a lot of you are like, please do an AMA with him. He can message me, okay? I'm not hunting down these people. They find me, all right? So he hasn't reached out to me. Piston token was audited by Solidity too. Yeah, what is this saying about Solidity today? This isn't just about Elephant today. It's about Certic and it's about Solidity. And I hope you guys write a bunch of articles. I hope that the guys on here that write articles and we make a fuss. So Obsidian is the name. Sad to see your unlucky move on Elephant and gave you a bad taste on DeFi. Why not rather jump into projects where your deposits are not locked up, where your founders show their face? Seifu is an example. I love that. Thank you for the $9.99, man. I am in Seifu. I'm only addressing it because you guys keep bringing it up. I appreciate that. There's a lot of good projects out there. But yeah, I'm in a lot of projects. Obsidian didn't have elephant money on their website. Yeah, exactly. Let's give some good exposure to Obsidian. Okay. Brian Legend proved Certic was scammers, but no one was paying attention. Yeah, this is good, man. We are literally doing our investigation right here on this channel. What other channel is giving you this alpha? Not alpha, but like just good value. I'm like, we're going to demand a lot higher from legit projects going forward. Yes, you're 8%. Have fun. Go have fun. Gamble plays. They're fine. If you're a YouTuber and you cover crap projects, just say that. Be like, these are gamble plays. Stop treating everything like they're the best project ever. But Elephant, for me, legit, it wasn't a gamble play. It was a solid project that I believed in. And I just don't have answers yet. So I'm being transparent. You'll like me if you like someone transparent, or I could bullcrap you and go, well, guys, no, I'm sad today. I lost money. I'm with you. Okay, let's find their website. Obsidian. Oh, I already have it up. Is this who we're talking about? Let me know. Is this their website? The leader in SaaS security. Mitigate threats, minimize risk across your most important applications. Obsidian is the only comprehensive platform. Wow, it's the only comprehensive platform for SaaS security. That's a bold statement. Okay, you guys keep bringing up Seifu, so let me ask you, is Seifu Obsidian audited? Is it? Audit companies should show their self and oblige the dev not to hide. Your funds are Seifu. Yeah, I know. When he said Seifu means safe, but I was like, your funds are Seifu. That's a protocol. I guess that's like old crypto language, means safe. The dev has a YouTube channel. Yes, I understand, guys. There's a lot of devs that will show their face. I mean, here's a project right here that I covered. I don't want to cover it. I don't want to show. He's shown his license on YouTube. No, so here's the thing, guys. I'm not talking about rug pulls. You guys keep saying the leader of Seifu isn't going to rug pull. I bet you he won't. I don't think he will. What I care about are these dumb exploits. Because Certic and Solidity, this isn't a rug pull. Like, I don't think Bank Teller rug pull any of this, okay? But what these companies failed to do was find the exploit. And that's what I'm hoping this company, Obsidian, will do. Are they the best in the business? Let's go. Everyone's saying these are the people. So, I don't know. I'm looking like you are to go, why should we trust these guys? Is this the company? Let's go Google it. Make sure. Obsidian. And I'm just going to type in the keyword crypto. Obsidian. Oh, it's a freaking coin. Guys, help me out. That is not Obsidian's website. Yeah, okay, good. Then what is their website? Exploit is the new rug. Exactly. It's not about just making sure the developer doesn't rug pull. It's about finding these freaking exploits. Like you, Solidity, are supposed to say, yep, exploits probably aren't going to happen on this one. You giving it an 89%, and now it's 76. Who knows when that changed? And going, yep, we've looked. And then look at, there's zero critical risk. There's zero major risk. Okay. What does that mean now? Forex said he already told Endow Group and his private group about Elephant having exploits, so it was definitely an inside job, as Bank Teller knew about it. Okay. Good reasoning. Who needs an audit when your CEO does lives every other day? Watch the AMAs, go with your gut. Discord House of Obsidian. Discord House of Obsidian? Discord House of Obsidian. Discord of this? Jesse Eckel. I already know who this guy is because I've watched Sphere Finance crushing it. That's not what I'm looking at. Community Obsidian. Is this? Where's the website? House of Obsidian. I don't know. I can't find it. I can't find. There's so many words called Obsidian. Obsidian. Audit companies should be held accountable. Yeah. Talk with Seifu. Let the people make some money. Piston is next. Even Certic said that there was admin controls for Elephant devs. Piston. Yeah, be careful, guys. Just because Certic and Solidity they audit companies for Elephant, it doesn't mean everything that these boys touch is gonna rug. So I'm not saying these are bad actors. Okay, I'm saying that clearly their audits don't do a thorough enough job to stop what happened today. Okay, what happened today was downright horrible. And we have Bank Teller, who has said that we've investigated a coordinated exploit by several bad actors. How does that happen when you're double audited? I'm just saying. Right. Okay. There we go. Right. Obsidian Council. Okay. Thank you for that, Pedro. I'm going to do this. Let's do it, because I want everyone to start looking for good names in this space before you spend another buck. I mean, yes, you can gamble, go ahead, but this is it. Dude, this is the one. I remember seeing this on my friend Andy's. This is the company I'm really excited about. Okay, if you know someone from here, I would like you to have them reach out to me. I'm going to look for this logo on future projects. Okay, this is the one. Thank you, Pedro. Wow. Let's do a quick update on pricing. Elephant Money is at 78 cents. Let's refresh. Okay, it's gone up a little bit. Let's go back here to DEX. Wow, we've got Elephant running a little bit right now. A lot of buy orders. Again, these are all little retail guys. $1,000, $500. It's not the big money. You need 100,000 plus players to get back in this game. So Jonathan, you're saying Certic didn't do a good job on Piston. Rick, what I'm saying is, regardless of Piston, I wouldn't put a lot of weight into these audits at this point. That's what I'm saying. And clearly you're seeing all these rugs will have an effect on all these coins, like Splassive did too. If you look at what happened with Splassive, the timing, that affected Piston. This is only going to affect Piston more. Down 20%. Yeah, like these, that's why like these things all ride on one another. It's very, very unfortunate to see this crap happen in the space. Elephant down 87%. Drip's just doing its thing, down 2%. But Drip has fallen so much already. So I think it's fallen like 80%. It's had its fall. Like, this sucks. It was just not like all at once. It wasn't like a 1 minute fall where it caused people to go exploit, rug. This was like over a long period of time. And there's still hope that Forex will get things up and running with Animal Farm that will cause momentum and help Drip price up again. If you got back in on Drip back here and it was at $5, you're like, hey, I've, 5x my money. I'm good. But if you're in here, up here, you're like, this price sucks. To go from 160 down to 30 sucks in Drip. Just like today, it sucks to go wherever we were at with Elephant. What was this, like 37 down to, we dropped a couple zeros, so it's hard to do the math. All right, Tex, I'm coming, buddy. Let me let my dog out as you guys stare at this. Ask me some questions. I'm going to answer the questions, then we're just going to move on. And join Obsidian Council Discord. Many gems you can find there. Interesting. If you think the project will recover the price of trunk on PS and the stake APR could be buy. Okay, I'm going to come back. Just give me 2 seconds. Tex. Come on, buddy. Tex. Here you go. Good boy. Let's talk. Oh my gosh, someone sent me a super chat. Thank you, Satoshi Child. Solidity Finance audited Grim Finance, and they got hacked for 30 mil. Yep, we're done. This is good, guys. We're getting rid of the crappy audit companies. Bye. This is good. You guys need to spread the word. Get all these other YouTubers that use the word solidity and use the word certic. Call them out on it. Come on. Let's change the space. Solidity audit price is just cheap, so devs pick them, but they are trash company. Guys, things are changing today. I guarantee you this YouTube broadcast, even though you have 600 people, word will spread. Word will spread because we just put this company and this company not on blast. We're holding them accountable. That's what we're doing here. And we're going, what is going on? You know who we're excited about? These guys. So I want everyone to flood the channel and say, hey, the Drip Farm guy just praised you like crazy. I'd love to have you guys on, talk about how you guys do your KYC, your submit proof of identity for the entire core team, verify with Obsidian, the way they do it. Oh, it's wonderful. This is refreshing. We need this crap in the DeFi space. Oh my gosh, get your project verified by the Obsidian Council. This right here, may this become the standard. Yeah. So this is exciting. In a horrible day, we can at least be excited that we're doing the research together. Obsidian Council only does KYC. Okay. Either way, I want this on your project. Give me this logo on your project. I found Sphere day one. Nice. Yes. I've been watching it as well. Yeah, Greg, 608 people watching, 431 likes. That's pretty good. I don't expect people to smash the like button. It's hard for them to do, Greg. To ask someone to smash a like button when I give up a couple hours of my life here to do a live stream because I'm trying to help this community, I can't ask them to smash the like. That's way too much to ask. I just hope Trunk will work again. Me too. There's hope. Titano. Jonathan, do you think this is a Forex's chance at being a savior in the space? No. I don't think this is a malicious act by Forex at all. I don't think it has anything to do with being a bad actor in what happened to Elephant. Maybe I misunderstood your question, but internet was designed to be hacked. Nothing will save you. There you go. Well, how come Drip lasted a year and wasn't hacked? I mean, maybe they got some code that works for them. Easy for a coder at the audit company to have one of his partners exploit the contract. Millions possible. Yeah, I mean, who knows? Let's get some Netflix documentaries up in here. And Drew mentioned all the rug stuff on Elephant. It's not the company, it's you. So did Elephant Finance get hacked? Yeah, bad actors today. I refer to you to Bank Teller's comments. He just addressed this. Wonder if we're able to obtain audit docs and report of these audit companies so the investors can see what the devs are seeing. Yeah, who audits the audit companies? Who audits the audit companies? This is where like US regulation could come in, and like on the US website it says we have audited these companies, and these are the ones that we believe are good actors, and then the US government has like all of the employees' information. They have screen share monitoring software where you follow what the employees are doing. It's all held accountable. Like that crap would be amazing in this space. That's just an idea off the top of my head. Wow, amazing. Just kidding. Partnership with Obsidian, man. Yeah. You do not want regulation. Yes, I do. Regulation is awesome. Every healthy government who's ever survived has laws. Laws are good. Taxation. It works. Systems, processes, it's healthy. Order is a good thing. So to say you don't want regulation is like, no. You don't want overreach. I agree. You don't want overreach. Do you not also say project devs need to be showing their face? Obsidian projects that exact info, man. Pick a direction. Huh? Obsidian protects that exact info, man. Yes, but here's the thing. Shane, if it's either one of two things. If the project... they can either show their face, which is a public KYC, right? Like their name, their information, their face. That's fine. Or I'm saying use Obsidian. Does that make sense? So you want to stay hidden, that's fine, but you got to have this now on your name or we're not going to take you serious. We need more CEOs like Seifu's, this is a paid promotion ad here. Here you go. Here you go. Who show their face regularly and have 100% transparency. Brian exposed Certic for the scammers they are. Well, Brian is having a good day today, let me tell you. Thank you, Crypto Addict. I appreciate that, man. It'll affect DeFi and Forex. Also advised Splassive. I don't think it's true to say Forex also advised Splassive. I don't know if that's true. Again, I want to give everybody a fair shot. We do not want the government auditing. They cannot audit themselves. Brian, if you don't use the government, I know none of us like the government, but like who else? What other body do we use, you know? What other body do you use? No, don't get the feds involved. Well, they're coming, okay? Any place where money's being exchanged, it's just a matter of time. They'll shut everything. They won't shut it down. They'll regulate it. They gotta make a buck off this somehow, right? Why blaming audit company other than YouTubers found rug code? Because we're, as a YouTuber, I'm not a coder and I'm trusting companies that do the audits. Or else their name means nothing to me. Question is whether Trunk will regain its peg. Yep, we're wait to see. Max, bro, thank you. $5. Have a look at the audit of Certic. That is still the old audit of Bankroll.network. Bank seller has lied to us here. Interesting, Max. If you do a video on that, send it to me, showing that this is true. That the Bankroll.network, that the audit they had on that is the exact same audit as this. Okay? Because this looks like it's elephant, not flow. So I don't know where you got that information, but I'm happy to be proven wrong. Free speech, guys. The devs should have full multi-lock security where one person can't rug. You need 4 or 5 people to sign. Yeah, but that's only one exploit, Arm Jr. That's fine. That's not what happened today. That's like if you, yeah, the rug, that's to protect from a dev rug pulling. But today, I don't think it was a rug pull. It's an exploit. I'm sick of these exploits. My wife codes for Solana Rust. Wow, smart wife. You got a winner there. Do exploiters pay capital gains tax? Right, the person who rugged today or exploited, are they going to pay capital gains tax on this? I don't know. Elizabeth Warren will save, yeah, Elizabeth Warren in her 80s understands everything you need to know about code. Okay, that's it, guys. Unless you have anything else, I'm going to head out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very, very sorry. Let me quickly go over what happened today. So we were all having a great day. Things were going well. And then all of a sudden you went here and you're like, wow, why is the assets under management 90 million? It was like 400 plus million. Then you went over here and you're like, oh my gosh, what the heck? This is not natural. And you scroll down and you started to see the millions of dollars that were selling. And it was all happening at once by a few bad actors. The reason we know it was a few bad actors is because Bank Teller a few hours later came out and said, we're investigating a coordinated exploit by several bad actors in the space against the herd. Before we get into details, just know that quality of your enemies will improve with success. Whatever. We have not been administratively hacked or nothing has changed in the network, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, then why are our bags down 80%? Several smart contracts and resources were used to be automated and attack against the elephant treasury. So this is what happened, guys. It's an automated attack against the elephant treasury. We're currently investigating it. Actions we're taking. We're pausing the reserve. You can't sell, can't mint trunk. We're working with our partners at Certic. Oh, yeah? You're working with them? Yeah, I'm sure you're working with them, huh? No, just kidding. Actions you should take. Don't sell. Don't answer your stupid DMs. Your funds are safe. Not Seifu. Safe. Because Seifu makes people think of the new... Okay. The base layer of Elephant Money platform is secure. Is it? What? The base layer of the Elephant Money platform is secure and has stood up to this challenge? What does that mean? Because I ain't seeing nothing standing up to this challenge. The exploit of the reserve will be addressed and we'll move on. Okay. That didn't make any sense to me because I'm dumb, I guess. But I don't know. He had a long time to come up with that statement. I wish he'd just come to a video and then we could just have a real conversation, real transparency, real openness, real trust. That to me would be good. Bank Teller, you know my number. Let's go. Let's go. Let's talk. All right, guys. That's it for the video. Thanks to everyone that loved, did the whole super chat thing. Super kind of you guys. I love you all. And I will be on here more and more covering the story. Make sure, I'm not kidding, like and subscribe if you care about getting the information on what's going to happen with Elephant, because I'm going to document this whole thing. And if Bank Teller comes and does an AMA, you'll be notified. Not if you subscribe, but if you hit the notification bell. Okay? So I love you guys. I'm going to go take care of my dog. Going to focus in on some other things and projects I'm working on. I'm flying out to Texas tomorrow working on a project. Lots going on. So thank you to all the comments. I'm reading the last ones here. Whoa, someone just sent $20. Like people like Giovanni, you just made my day because you knew I was signing off. You didn't have to spend a dime and you donated $20. People like you make me losing $18,000 in a day. You just make me feel better. So thank you. Frick. Puck Fan 97. $20 for a beef rib at Pecan Lodge. You got to try it. Dude, I'm going to Pecan Lodge. I need to document it. If I go there, I'll document it and it'll be in the upcoming video. I'm actually covering another project that I'm going to be investing in. And guess what? One of the guys on the lead team, he's going to show his face. Okay? He's going to show his face. So I'm actually going out to Texas to cover another project, and maybe I'll do Pecan Lodge with him. So if you like that, great. Dude, stop sending me super chats. This is so nice. Don Skiller, hit me at Gmail for barbecue options. Got a few. So kind. Man, see, on days like today when you got people stealing millions of dollars, that's on them. Do you think they're going to be happy? Do you think like that's going to be the life-fulfilling thing that they live for, scamming thousands of people today? Nah. So much more to life. Being a kind person, loving your family, take care of your dog. It just sucks. If you lost money today, I'm really, really sorry that you lost money. I'm with you. And hopefully, Bank Teller, we can get some answers. I hope that, guys, I really do. I hope that somehow this right here continues to go up and to the right, that we make up a lot of this traction, and that over the course of years, we look back on today as a crappy day, but not the end of elephant money. So for me, I haven't sold a dime. As you guys see, this is my bag. It was about 18 to 20 grand. Now it's about 1,900. It is what it is. We are going to wait to hear from Bank Teller, and maybe he'll come to an AMA. So, but be careful out there. Hopefully today's a lesson that not everything is perfect in DeFi, that even with the audits like Certic, Solidity, you should be playing with risk capital. Okay. And risk capital for you might be $1,000. It might be $200, but you should become an investor. Like, again, I'll invite you just as I close this video, like most of my money is not in DeFi. It's in stocks. And I use apps like Webull, link in the description. Webull is a brokerage where you can buy fractional shares. Like if you want to buy Tesla, you want to buy Apple. And just for signing up, they've given my community an award, or like a 5 stocks. Other YouTubers, it's 3 stocks. But this is, you click the link, you'll get 5 free stocks if you make a deposit for $1. All right. And if you take advantage of that today, make sure you message me, because I'm going to do a contest where I'll give a free drip to someone. So let me know. All right, guys, that's it. Pulse X, yeah, that's coming on the future. We'll cover that too. Thank you. Love from Italy. Seriously, Giovanni, that was so nice of you. I appreciate it. So many kind people still in this space. Let's stay positive. I love you guys, and I appreciate you being here. I really do. So until the next one, we will see you guys. Hang in there. Don't do anything stupid. If you need to call somebody, call a friend, get out of the house, go for a walk. Don't focus in on the negativity. Just let's wait. Let's see what happens. I've seen crazier things where you get runs back up. We don't know. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, link in the description. If you want to get free money today, do something positive, go ahead, get it. All right. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.